If you're like most people, you're using your Amazon Firestick to binge your favourite shows and movies, and that's great. But did you know you're only scratching the surface of what this little powerhouse can do? Today, we're diving deep into how to unlock the hidden potential of your Firestick and transform it into a multifunctional entertainment hub. Forget just streaming. We're talking retro gaming, music madness, file management, and so much more. Let's check it out. First up, let's rewind time. Remember those classic arcade games and console favourites from your childhood? Well, you can now play them right on your Firestick with no complicated emulators, no sketchy ROM downloads. We're keeping it simple and fun. I'll show you how to access classic games instantly with AntStream Arcade. Think of it as the Netflix of retro games, with over 1,300 officially licensed titles optimised for modern play on nearly any device, including your Firestick. Just search for AntStream Arcade in the App Store, then download and install it. Yes, to play games, tournaments and challenges, there is a small monthly fee, currently $3.99, but it's like having an arcade in your living room and you can access it on all your devices. Sign up at accounts.antstream.com using your mobile or PC, then sign in to AntStream Arcade on your Firestick and retro game with classics like Pac-Man, Monkey Island, Bubble Bobble, Double Dragon and more. For the best experience, grab a Bluetooth controller. It'll make playing those classic games feel just like the good old days. I'll leave a link to this controller on Amazon if you want to check it out. Alright, let's crank up the volume. Forget just Spotify and Amazon Music, we're diving deeper. Think of your favourite car radio station, that sports talk show you can't miss, or those hidden gem podcasts you've been craving. They're all waiting for you. Now here's the secret. Head to the Amazon App Store, then plunge into the music category. It's a complete treasure trove. Explore, experiment and transform your Firestick into your personal sound system. You might discover your new favourite app or station. And if podcasts are your jam, there's a whole category waiting to be explored. Your perfect soundtrack is just a few clicks away. Now it's time to get organised. Now your Firestick isn't just a media player, it can also be a powerful file manager. Install ES File Explorer or Explore from the App Store and navigate your Firestick storage and connected USB drives. You can transfer files, organise your media and even install APKs. Plus, it's also a great tool to free up space as you can navigate your files and folders. Get rid of those old files and leftover app data from previous apps you no longer have installed. Now, did you know your Firestick can also be used to screen, mirror and cast? This allows you to share your phone, tablet or laptop screen directly to your TV. Simply enable screen mirroring on your Firestick and then connect from your device. This is perfect for sharing photos, videos, presentations or even playing mobile games on the big screen. We've covered a lot of ground here, but there are still a few more tips and tricks to help you level up your Firestick experience. You can use voice commands to control your smart home devices and explore alternative launchers for a fresh new look. For those looking to enhance their privacy and access geo-restricted content, some think that 50% of Firestick users across the US are interested in, a VPN is quickly becoming the top app among Firestick users. So there you have it, your Firestick is now a multifunctional entertainment powerhouse. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned some new ways to make your Firestick more useful. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.